Today we're going to take our super secret FeelFree Lure 2 kayak out to see how the motor works. Come join us. Hello everyone, and we're back to try out our motor setup for our FeelFree Lure 2 tandem kayak. We're going to start with setting up the steering and getting everything ready to go to get her to launch. So let's go ahead, let's head back to the back. And if you remember, we have a couple of plug-ins that we need to do. So we're going to plug in the motor to the power, plug in the controller, and now we have to hook up our cables for the steering. And then we also need to hook up the rope for the motor lift. Okay, so it's all ready to hit the water. Verify we're tight. And we'll go up to the front. Let's go ahead and we'll lift the motor out of the way so we can launch. See how it handles it. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's put her in the water. We're here at Rooster Rock's boat launch, and we're going to go ahead and we've got the kayak in the water. We're going to go ahead and see if we can get the motor working, how well it does, how fast it goes, and give it a pretty good test here in our little area here on the boat launch. So let's go ahead and let's get in and give it a shot. As we push away from the dock and lower the motor down into the water, going into reverse, as I mentioned in our previous video, you had to turn the speed up pretty slow so that you didn't pull the motor out of the water going backwards. But you can see that we're backing up and turning at the same time, trying to get lined up so that we can travel in front of the dock and in front of the camera. Top speed that we figured according to the fish finder was about 5 miles an hour, and we didn't do a lot of fast moving in the short area that we had, but it does a really good job. As you can see, all the weight's in the back of the kayak, and we're sitting pretty low in the water, but if we have Grandma Snoops in the front or granddaughter Snoops up there, then it levels out pretty nice. But we're able to get through the water, and the purpose of the motor wasn't to break any land speed records, but it was to get us from point A to point B if we wanted to fish across the lake or use it to fight some of the heavier winds in the water. And you can see that it does turn. Once again, it's something that I wanted to work on. I thought that it was a little clumsy. We've made a couple of changes since the video, and so we'll see how that goes. But we're gonna pull it right back up to the dock, and you can see that it turns pretty easy, and with the remote control sitting there, that's easy to control. And if you're steering with your feet, you can still fish and troll and do that kind of thing. But motor comes out of the water nice. Just kind of scoot up to the loading dock, and we've got her done for the day. Well, we've got her in the water, got the motor working. Seemed to work really, really well. Still not real crazy about the steering. Something I'm going to work on a little bit, see if I can't smooth that out a little. Motor works good. So we're pretty excited about our fishing and capabilities to do things this year. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and make sure that you comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks for joining Senior Snoops. We've tested out the kayak, and everything works as engineered. We hope you enjoyed our video. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to have you join our team. Thanks again for watching Senior Snoops.